Good morning, guys. So right now it is 8:48. I gotta go to work in a little bit, but I figure I'll show you guys how I make my protein shake. We've got the ingredients in here, and it's really simple. And you know what? Actually, before we get into it, I'll post the nutrition facts here. So this is how many grams of protein, how many grams of fiber, and how many grams of carbs that are in this. And it typically holds me until 11:30, 12 o'clock in the day. Then I go and I eat lunch. So let's get started with this. Here are all our ingredients here. It's pretty simple. All right, so let's just go down the list here. I put in 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of strawberries, a half of a banana. This is maca powder. It's not something that is very popular, I don't think. My grandmother recommended me to this because apparently it gives you energy, so I've just been taking it. I'd say it works. I typically have enough energy to carry out my day pretty fine. So this is what I basically use instead of coffee. So I use 3 tablespoons of this. Then I use a half a cup of almond milk. There's none in here, so today I'm going to be using water. And then this already has a scoop in it, so I don't know the exact measurement of the scoop, but I just use 1. And yeah, so after that I maybe put about 5 ice cubes in here, a little bit of water to get the consistency good, and then I blend it up and we're done. So let's do that right now, and you'll get to see how quick and easy this actually is. Oh, I'm an idiot. All right, I completely, oh boy, I didn't even press play on the camera. That is such a rookie mistake. Anyway, this is what the shake looks like. All right, well, it looks like I might have to record it again, but okay. So we've got 6 cubes of ice. This thing is about halfway filled with water. We're gonna go blend it now. Okay, we're good. Ah, top. Yes. This is pretty hard to do with one hand. Does that taste fine? I can't actually tell. Alright, hold on. Let's get a cup for this. So this is the 32-ounce blender bottle. It usually fills up 32 ounces with this. So just be prepared for that. If you've got half that size, well, you're gonna need 2 cups. You don't have to drink it all just immediately, but I usually drink it throughout the day until 12, which usually works, but I pray to God this is fine, because this is actually the first time I'm trying this recipe without milk, and look at, it's just very watery. So, oh, that's fine. The banana is very strong in it, so I might not use banana again, but if you like bananas, then this is all for you. Okay, you usually won't have anything left over, but because I use too much water, that's what happens. Top. All right. So, this is my protein shake. It's usually a lot greener than this, actually. It's usually really green like that, but all right. I hope this helped you. You try it out. And you know what? If you like the recipe, leave a comment, because I actually want to know if it's good to other people. If not, I might switch it up and do another video. If it keeps you satiated, if it doesn't keep you hungry, I would also like to know that. For me, it doesn't, but I kind of want to do a poll here. And I might try a few more different recipes and make a few more videos on what I would consider trying. But for right now, yeah, this is done. And time to go to work.